Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Plato app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. Then you come to this list. You come here to profanity here filter. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone. That's me profanity here filter. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.